Hey guys, so in this video I will show you how you can add a button to your Squarespace website. It's real fast and easy, and let me show how. So first, of course, what you need to do here is you need to go to Squarespace, log into your account, and select the website that you want to add a button. And as you can see here, I already did that. And then basically select where you want to add a button. So for example, I want to add my button under this little banner here. And as you can see here, I just need to press on add block, and then drop down menu pops up and I can add text, image, and also a button. So press on button, and then you can basically, as you can see here, change where it can be, and then you can change the size of the button and do a bunch of different things, as you can see here. And then if we press on this little pen button, we can change the text. For example, let's put subscribe, and here you can add a link, or maybe you want to add some sort of file. You just need to press on the little gear icon, and you can, for example, upload PDF, or as you can see here, create a form and do a bunch of different things as well. Also, you can design the button, change colors and change button styles, and do a bunch of different things here. Right, so that's pretty much it, how you can add a button on Squarespace websites. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.